Okay, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at Southern District New York Courthouse today, Monday, June 24th, 2024. On the Trump docket, down in Fort Pierce, Florida, Judge Aileen Cannon has this morning docketed an order saying that the hearing this week on Tuesday about excluding possibly documents that were seized will begin with a closed session from 11 a.m. Until 1 p.m. She'll also be hearing about the gag order, as will Judge Merchan here in New York, not far from where I'm standing, has before him the prosecutor, Alvin Bragg's partial acquiescence to ending the gag order only as regards to Stormy Daniels and Michael Cohen for purposes of Thursday's debate. So we'll see how he rules before Thursday. We're covering here in the Southern District. It's going to be a whirlwind. We're covering U.S. versus Menendez, in which the prosecution wants to put on a former staffer of Senator Menendez talking about Qatar and Egypt. He's saying it's covered by a speech and debate clause. We'll just have to see. We're also covering, of course, U.S. versus Miles Guo. We're also covering U.S. versus William Hwang of Archegos. This guy, to me, has been on the stand for like weeks, it seems, and a civil case involving Felix Sater. Across the street, now we haven't, take a look. Across the street in 40 Foley, there's a trial called Pucky that's about real estate fraud, and there's a trial beginning today with jury selection. William Washington, one of the NBA health fund fraud defendants. He had pleaded guilty, took the plea back, and now is going to trial. And he's largely representing himself, although I think he has standby counsel. So we'll be checking in over there. Meanwhile, with the UN, we'll be writing from afar. We're not allowed into the building because Antonio Guterres is so corrupt and so unaccountable that if you question the completeness of his financial disclosures, he just has you physically roughed up and thrown out. But we've had two law firms write to him. He's ignored it. We've applied to re-enter, and we will not cease. Inner City Press, to be continued.